Hello everyone. In this video we see the topic concept of plan. Before a lecture we can see the layout of sheet. In a layout of sheet at the left corner first component is the plan. We have to draw a plan. Then we can see in this lecture what is meant by plan and how it is drawn. Plan, it is an imaginary horizontal section at the convenient level which shows the construction details, various areas, opening of doors and windows. Next one, it is a general conventional to imagine that the building has been cut down by a horizontal plan at a sill level of the window and is seen from the top after removal of so cut part. It means that plan is nothing but the top view of a building cut from the sea level. We can cut any plan of a building from the sea level and we can see from the top, and the details which can saw from the top, that will draw in a plan. Okay, then plan should contain all external dimensions for all sides with a arrowhead, wall thickness, plinth offset, titles of the room, passage and area, clear internal dimensions of the room, window and door symbols with swings. As window and door are swinging, we can know about the directions of a window and door swing. That's why. Then door stairs, note for ups and downs number of steps of external door. Then the section line, cupboard and title and scale. Okay, this is the simple plan of a building. Okay, I can explain you here. This plan is cut from somewhere. If I can saw any kind of plan from a top, I just saw a slab. That portion is cutted. That's why I can saw the wall thickness. This is that I show. This is the wall thickness. This is the opening of door. This is the position of a window. Okay, all those things are see after cut any plan from a sea level, and after that what we will see, that will be draw in a simple plan. This is the hand draw or a drawing of a plan. Okay, you can see that this portion double line indicates the wall thickness. This is the window. The dash portion indicates the chhajja projection. Okay, and likewise this is the simple plan. That's why you can say that I can read that plan. Okay, there are two lines you can see over here. This is the steps. I can step in a ota. With the help of that steps, I entered by this door in a veranda. Then I entered by D1 door in a hall. I entered by arch in a dining room and a kitchen. Those are the dimensions of a dining room and kitchen. And from that I can go from that passage with a D1 door in a bedroom, with a D2 door in a storeroom, and from this passage I can go to with a D2 door in a bathroom and D2 door in a WC. D1, D2, D3, what are they? D indicates the door. D is the abbreviation for door. Simple D indicates the constant dimension for a D. D1 means is the dimension of a door. If for example I can take the dimension of a D1 is 0.9 by 1.2 meter, then where D1 is indicated, and in that case the dimension of a D1 is the 0.9 by 1.2. D2 dimensions are a different, but the same dimension door can place in a many different positions. That's why D2 can be indicated in a many different positions. Okay, that was it. These it means those three doors are having a same dimension. D1 and D1 having the same dimension and D having the different dimension. Okay, now I will show you the simple how can we draw the plan. This is the simple room, one room. Okay, I can make it in a double line plan. When I cut it from the sea level, I can saw the internal dimensions with also the outer dimensions. Okay, this is the outer dimension, means it is the thickness of a wall. If it have a dimension of a 4 meter, then the wall thickness added from both the side, means if 4 meter is the dimension of a room, plus add 2 times wall thickness, it means 2 into wall thickness is, if I consider, is 0.3. Okay, means that outer dimension is 4 plus 2 into 0.3 means 4.6. It means the internal line is having a dimension of 4 meter and outer line is having a dimension of 4.6 meter. Likewise, we can extend the plan and make the plan like this, you can see over here. Okay, everyone understand? This is the simple concept of a plan. What is meant by plan? Plan is nothing but the top view of any building cut from the sea level, and the details which are seen from the top we can draw it in a plan. A plan indicates the shows the wall thickness, door position, window position, bathroom position, positions of a unit, Chajja projections, and all those. This is nothing but the simple plan. Okay, everyone understand what is meant by plan and how it will draw. Okay, I hope everyone understand what is meant by plan and how it will draw. Thank you.